1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hello mga sis, this is your girl Honey and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, wala akong kakulay-kulay ngayon kasi today we're gonna be having a review. Okay, now, ang i-review nating product today is from a local brand named KM Cosmetics. So they sent me a PR package. You can see it on my previous vlog. So check it out now. I'll link it down below. So going back, I'm going to review some of their products and may konting usapang negosyo tayo after ito. Alright, to start off, KM Cosmetics is a local brand na nagsasell ng mga organic na beauty products like lip tint, clay blush, highlighters. Pero yung pinaka-main nila na mino-market ngayon are the velvet lip tints that they have, which is Peripera inspired, and also the Moonlight HD body illuminator. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you are the velvet tints. This retails for 150 pesos. So it looks like this. Walang naka-indicate kung ilang grams siya, pero rest assured, puno siya yung bottle niya. Puno siya ng product. So, when you open this, it really looks like a peripera, but it looks like this on the inside. Para siyang may halo na hindi siya yung whole agad. Meron siyang parang, what do you call that? Basta parang meron siyang paganyan sa loob. And then there you will stick in the doe foot applicator. Ayan. Ang maganda dito is hindi siya nagsispill easily because of the, yun nga, yung meron pa siyang paganyan bago mo ipasok yung doe foot applicator. So let's try to swatch this. This one is in the shade Nude. Okay. So, let's try to blend it. Wow. Sobrang daling i-blend because it's oil-based. What's good with this is meron siyang shea butter na ingredient and vitamin E. So, it's not harsh sa ating lips. And I can say na hindi siya drying. Sa mga dry yung lips na katulad ko, this kind of lip tints are for us kasi it's oil-based. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch the other color as well. Okay. Ayan siya. Ito, parang mas bet ko tong color na to. And then, let's blend it. It's really, really easy to blend. Ayan siya. Feel ko mas maganda siya sa cheeks kasi buildable siya. Alright, so let's try it on my lips. Alright, so yung thoughts ko for these velvet tints, I find it very easy to apply dahil sa kanyang doe foot applicator. And the bottles are very nice. Yun nga yung gusto ko kasi very secured kahit na mag-travel ka, hindi siya magsispill. And then, it is very velvety sa feeling. It's oil-based, so you can use it as a lipstick, as a lip tint, as an eyeshadow if you want, and blush on. Yun nga lang, yung lasting effect niya, hindi siya naglalast for a long time kasi hindi siya nagsustain sa lips ng kagaya ng mga water-based na lip tints. Well, ito, I don't mind if mag-re-apply ako over time kasi ano siya eh, it's nourishing sa lips, it's very hydrating, and it's not drying at all. Let's try it as a blush on. So, ito yung ilalagay ko as a blush on, si Sola. So, as you can see, very glowy tignan. And hindi siya artificial tignan. Yung parang may rosy cheeks lang talaga akong nagpa-flush. I think I'm gonna use this on my everyday look. Ito as a blush on. And not bad na rin sa lips. Kasi, tignan nyo naman. Diba? So, let's try the other one. Yung si Nude. I-try natin siya sa ating eyelids if it also works. Alright, so maglalagay lang ako ng isang dot. Dalawa pala. Bobo. Okay. So, wala gaano lagyan pa tayo. Yung effect niya is very subtle lang siya. Which is nice if you're going for a natural look, for an everyday look lang. Ayan siya sa aking eyelids. Hindi siya namumuo. And it's quite buildable. So, maganda siya. I would probably give this lip tints 4 out of 5 stars. Kasi, yun lang yung problema ko. Yung hindi siya long-lasting sa lips. Pero I don't mind if I reapply it over time. Kasi, it's nourishing sa lips. It's not harsh on the lips. And ito yung mga gusto ko, yung mga oil-based. Kasi dry na dry yung lips ko. If I put on water-based tints, it will just make my lips look drier and feel drier. So, okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna show you are these face and body illuminator, which is called Moonlight HD. Ayan siya. They have 3 shades of these. Okay, so what they sent me are the Pearl and the Champagne. So, I think champagne will suit me well kasi I'm not that white. Pag maputi ka, magandang-maganda to. Kasi it has that pinkish undertone. This one bottle retails for 180 pesos. And then, ang maganda dito sa packaging nila is that comes with an airless pump bottle. So, it means pag may ganito, napupush niya talaga lahat ng products out there. And I believe with this illuminator, a little goes a long way. So, let's try to swatch it on my other hand. Kasi meron ng swatch doon. So, let's just put a little bit, like a dot lang muna. So, this one is Champagne. Ayan siya. Oh, it's quite oily. Ayan siya, pag natatamaan ng ilaw. Hindi masyado nakikita yung champagne. Pero, rest assured, there's a shimmer. And, ang maganda dito, yung nagustuhan ko dito is very natural siyang tignan. Dito sa skin, and yung glitters niya, sobrang pino ng glitters niya, which is very nice. And this one is, wait. This one is Pearl. Hindi siya gaanong kita na pink siya. Siguro sa camera. Ayan, sobrang dami niya na, oh. Umaabot siya dito pag inaan. Oh, ayan. Ayan, may hint of pink siya. Ayan. So, ang gusto kong i-try is si Champagne. Let's try it as our face highlighter. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting-konti sa aking nose. There. That's the job naman. Ayan. Okay. Makintab na kasi yung face ko. Kaya, medyo hindi halata. And then here. Oh. I think naparami yung lagay ko. So, ayun siya. Sa kabila naman. Like, a little goes a long way. So, sa isang bottle na 180 pesos, sulat na siya. Oh, look at that! Let's try it on our collarbones. I heard na meron itong vitamin E and grape seed. So, I believe okay din siya when you use it sa beach. Kasi magsa-summer na, tamang-tama. So, here are my thoughts sa face. Parang feel ko medyo, hindi siya tacky, pero parang mag-oil up lang yung face ko pag dito siya nilagay. Pero mas maganda siya sa body. For this one, dahil nagustuhan ko siya, I would give it 4.5 out of 5 kasi hindi ko man siya may lalagay sa face ko on a daily basis. Maganda naman siya sa skin. And I would definitely bring this with me pag nag-beach kami kasi sobrang ganda niya, lalo na pag natatamaan ng ilaw. Ayan. Alright, so yun lang guys ang ating review for today. Salamat po, Miss Kay, sa pagpapadala ng products niya sa akin. And just because it's sponsored, it does not mean na may bias na yung ratings ko sa kanila. Well, I said the pros and cons naman. So, ikaw na yung mag-decide kung ano yung thoughts mo about this. You can grab these sa KM House of Scents. Meron silang page sa Facebook. I will just link it down below. And then, eto na, usapang negosyo na tayo. So, sa mga gustong rebrand, alam niyo ba yung rebranding? Yung bibili kayo sa kanila ng by tub or by kilo, and then, kung gusto mo lagyan siya ng ibang brand, halimbawa ako gusto ko magnegosyo ng velvet lip tints, and wala akong supplier, hindi ako marunong gumawa nun. So, i-PM mo lang yung page ng KM House of Scents, and then, there, pwede kayo mag-negotiate sa price and kung ilang kilos yung kukunin mo. And I think they also sell bottles, so pwede mo rin dun na kunin sa kanila. O, diba? So, pwede kang kumuha by kilo nito and also this one. Pili ka lang ng shades and kung ilang kilos, tas kayo na mag-negotiate kung magkano. You could also resell dahil may tatak naman na siya. So, you could resell their products. So, yeah, I believe that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below before you leave and that bell button beside it so you will be notified whenever I post a new video.
I do this for my sister, my wife, and my kids, 'cause they part of the team. I do this for